Dear students, so today we will find what is regression and what is a regression line and why we use it, right? So basically, regression is a method to forecast the future's values for any data. So in our case, we will see that what will be the marks of the students in maths and science in 2024 or 2025, right? So this lines is basically will tell you the predictions for the students, right? So sometimes some are regressions are linear and they are in positive direction, and some are in the negative direction. So the positive direction means the marks would be increasing in the future, and negative means the marks would be decreasing in the future. So let's see how can we find the regression line and the equations for that one. So you need to select these two data and then click on the insert. After insert, there would be recommended chart. In the recommended chart, you just select this chart, which is called a scattered chart basically. So this is the scattered chart. So when you select this one, yeah, so this thing will be there. So you need to modify this one. Basically, the title should be regression line. Okay, the regression line with equation, right? So it will we will write automatically the equation would be written over there, right? Now the x-axis, we will see that what is x-axis, right? So we have two axes, this one here. So one of them is like, for example, this is a science one. You can test it, check by changing the values. Okay, and this is for maths. Okay, this is for maths. So maths one is basically is y-axis. This is independent. We call it independent variable. Independent, right? I hope the spelling is okay. Independent, right? Yeah. Okay. And this one science is, let's suppose, on the y-axis and the x-axis it is called dependent variable, right? Dependent variable. So this is what we have it. Now, since you see the both data is equal, right? So it means the equation is a like, linear, right? There's a straight line over here. So now let's see if I know the equation, how could be the equation, the trend line. So this is the trend line, we have it already. And the equation is more options. You need to go to the more option, and the more option, you can display the equation on the chart, and you can display the r square value. Okay, so these two are very important for the linear equation. So here x equal to y, because both values are same. Okay, now for example, if I'm doing some variation in the data, for example, if I change the data, for example, from 30 to 300, so see the data is changing. Now you see over here, one of the point it shifted from 30 to 300, right? Let's suppose the second point I also want to variate it 400. So now see over here, second point also got changed. Let me change this to, like, for example, 450. So this also got changed, right? So this one, okay, in case if I want to change this one, the maths like, for example, uh, data. Okay, so for example, is this I'm going to put it 400. So the changes in a y-axis, right? If I make this changes in 500, so the changes, like, see on that one. And if I make it a 600, the changes, like, is non becoming non-linear over here. Okay, so I just, like, undo all these changes and see that how. So now you see over here the line is a linear regression over here, and y, the equation is y equal to x, and r square is equal to y, right? So r square is 1. So in this case we have these values. So let's suppose we want to have a reverse equation. In the reverse one, let's suppose we change the transport the data. When we transport the data and change the data in a reverse order, so we now see over here the direction is totally changed. Now the equation has been changed, and equation says that the value has been changed, y equal to x plus 2 plus 10. So 2 plus 10 means, see, if you add these two values, this 200 plus 10, so that would be the value of the y, right? So the prediction is based on the prediction of y is based on the value when you need to add up the values to the 200 to it, right? And the r square would be the same, but the direction is in the different direction. So this is that how, like, regression works, and how it, like, things are going on. So in this case, if I change the value, decrease the value, for example, from 160, I make it, like, 230. So you see there is would be a jump to the left hand side, right? In case if I change this to like 400, there would be a jump on the upper side. So this is all about the regression line and and the equations. So see you in the next video.